Me name is Pat McKernan, I'm a native of the Isle. I was born and raised in Ireland, but left when just a child. Me father fought in '98 for liberty so dear. He fell upon a vinegar hill like an Irish volunteer. Now when the traders of the South commenced their warlike raid, I quickly laid down my old clod to a devil with me spade. Then to a recruiting office that happened to be near, and joined the good old 69th like an Irish volunteer. And fill the ranks and march away, no traitors do we fear. Let's drive them all to hell, says the Irish volunteer. And fill the ranks and march away, no traitor do we fear. Let's drive them all to hell, says the Irish volunteer. Traitors in the south should ever cross our roads, we'll drive them all to blazes like St. Patrick did the toads. We'll give them all short nooses and hung below their ears. They're strong and good of Irish hemp by the Irish volunteer. So here's to the brave McClellan boys the army now reveres, who lead us all to victory, says the Irish volunteers. And here's the brave McClellan boys the army now reveres, who lead us all to victory, says the Irish volunteers. Fill your glasses up, me boys, and toast and drink with me. May Erin's harp and starry flag united ever be. May traitors quake and rail shake and tremble with their fears when they meet the good old Yankee boys and the Irish volunteer. So raise your glass to Washington, the name the land reveres, to Marnage and Corcoran and the Irish volunteers. So raise your glass to Washington, the name the land reveres, to Marnage and Corcoran and the Irish